guys, so today we will be making a simple bow perfect for a wreath or any type of decor. What you will need: the Bow bow maker. I have a nice amount of bow wire, and then I have this really pretty shimmer red and green and silver ribbon, 2.5 inches in width, and it is wire edged, and scissors. Alright, let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is fold your bow wire in half and place it down in the center of your Bow. Now, next thing we're going to do is cut our tails. I think about 21, 22 inches. It's going to be good. Alright, so we have the tails. I'm going to fold it in half to find the center. Then I'm going to scrunch, which I fold in half and bring the front and the back up. And I'll do the same for this piece. If you like more tails, you can definitely add more pieces. And now we're just going to take the rest of our ribbon and make our loops. So I have this is the right side of the ribbon, this is the wrong side. I'm going to start with the wrong side. If your ribbon is the same on both sides, then it doesn't matter which way you start. So I'm just scrunching and place it down. Use your wand. I think this is a pretty nice size loop. And if you'd like, you can definitely measure, but this looks like about maybe 6 inches. 5 or 6 inches. So I'm going to scrunch. And instead of just scrunching and place it down, I'm going to scrunch and twist it. So scrunch and twist. And then place it down, so that when I make the loop on this side, I have the right side of the ribbon showing. Again, if you're using ribbon that is the same on both sides, then you don't have to worry about the twisting part. You can just skip that step. We'll do the same thing. Scrunch and twist. And place it down. If they're not exactly the same, it's no big deal. So I'm just going to continue with the same step until I have used all of the ribbon. For the last piece, you don't have to worry about twisting it, of course. You just scrunch it and place it down. Get a nice scrunch. Then you can maneuver everything one last time before you remove it from the Bow. Again, as many or as few loops as you'd like. And to take the bow wire, the 2 open ends will go inside of the loop. I like to hold my bow in place and give it a nice tug. And I like to tie it a couple of times. And since this will go on a wreath or anything like that, I'm going to leave the excess bow wire in place so that I can easily tie it to whatever I'd like. You'll see, usually I would cut this. I'm going to leave it. I'm just going to adjust it. I'm going to pull the loops to make them nice and loopy. You can keep it flat if you'd like. There's so many possibilities. You can make it look exactly the way you want to. So this just looks so cute and adorable. You can definitely ribbon cut the ends if you would like to. I think I may actually just keep these squared because I always ribbon cut. So this will be something different. Here it is, so cute and easy to make. And if you want to know how to make this Deco Mesh wreath, I will link the video in the description box down below and also at the end of this video.